Hey, little rock climber.
Hey, hey, Dad.
Great job.
Okay. Backwards.
No, got your stick back. Now, why? When you step on that, you gotta be careful now, because you're gonna slip. Woo! Smack the old head. Yeah, you gotta be careful when you step on ice. Okay? You understand?
Look.
Oh my gosh! Look at that. That is the best.
I don't feel.
You don't feel what?
Ew.
What? Look at the limbo. Break that part right there. Break those pieces. Yeah.
Oh my God! I just did it.
You did. I bet that would have flowed, huh?
Yeah, it is. I can make this in a half. Ew! Don't eat my stick. You just ate my stick, Daddy.
It ate your stick?
That's disgusting. Disgusting. He's trying to follow my stick.